flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible. Where portions of northern Delaware, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania, including the following areas: in northern Delaware, Newcastle; in New Jersey, Camden, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, Morris, northwestern Burlington, Salem, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren; in Pennsylvania, Berks, Carbon, Delaware, eastern Chester, eastern Montgomery, Lehigh, lower Bucks, Monroe, Northampton, Philadelphia, upper Bucks, western Chester, and western Montgomery. When, through late tonight. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Low-water crossings may be flooded. Additional details: multiple rounds of showers with embedded thunderstorms will move through the area through this evening, bringing a general 1.5 to 2.5 inches of rainfall. However, within any thunderstorms, amounts could be higher, bringing the potential for flash flooding. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast.